Hello! We're continuing with volume again. This time we're looking at composite solids. So the goal for today is to look at these three objects here and find the total volume of these. Now these are the same shapes we used in our composite solid video, but this time we're finding the volume. So if you want to know how to do it, stick around and find out. Now I really like finding the volume of composite solids. It's much easier than trying to find the surface area. So all you have to do is two steps. Find the volume of each 3D object individually and then just add them together. It's really straightforward. Alright, let's look at an example. So a cube sits on top of another cube. What is the total volume of this composite solid? So all we're going to do is find the volume of the top cube and then add the volume of the bottom cube to it. So for the top cube, it's going to be 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27 centimeters cubed. For the bottom cube, it's just going to be 8 times 8 times 8, which is 512 centimeters cubed. Now 27 plus 512 is 539, so the total volume is 539 centimeters cubed. Okay, example number 2. A cylinder sits on top of another cylinder. What is the total volume of the composite solid to 2 decimal places? So again, all we have to do is find the volume of the top cylinder and add the volume of the bottom cylinder. So the top cylinder is going to be pi times 3 squared times 6. And then the bottom cylinder is going to be pi times 4.5 squared times 3. And so then we just add our answers together and we will get a grand total of 360.50 centimeters cubed. Okay, for our final example here, a hemisphere sits on top of another hemisphere. What is the total volume of the composite solid to 2 decimal places? So again, we're just going to find the volume of the top hemisphere and then we're going to add the volume of the bottom hemisphere. So the top hemisphere is 4 over 3 times pi times 7.5 cubed, and then we half it to get this answer here. And for the bottom hemisphere, we're doing the same thing, but just with a radius of 15. So when we add these two values together, we'll get a total of 7,952.16 centimeters cubed. Thanks for watching, guys. It was just a short lesson today. All you have to do to find composite volume is just work out the individual shapes and then add them together. Hope that helps. See you next time.